midwives, we know that they have 20 to 23 yung government midwives. They have 23 functions back or 25 or 40 plus pala. And then they have to go and attend seminars all the time. So, maraming mga barangay walang and then nagpapanatan ng isa, it may take you 1 or 2 days, diba? So, maraming PBA, so, yung trust and confidence din. So, ang importante na gender concern is your accessibility and cost, yung emotional needs of other children, again, privacy and confidentiality, and the medical records. Even if mistress siya, prostituted woman siya, adolescent, or PDP relationship. Sabi nila, meron nang nagsabi sa akin, hindi pa ako nakakaalis sa klinik, naririnig ko na chinichismis na ako. Naririnig lang ikaw. So, walang confidentiality lang. So, the treatment of each individual, as I mentioned, is very important. Yung decision as to her preferences, natural childbirth yan. You know, when my daughter was here, she is married to British, she came to deliver me. Ang hirap namin naghanap ng hospital kung they do natural childbirth. So, we finally, and a doctor will do that. Naglakas siya, pero yung birthing itself, you know, once hospital will admit her, na ako, yung asawa niya, ako, present ako. So, it was in Carina Santos that we were able to deliver. At saka yung kaganda, yung labor niya, yan na rin siya naman in that way. Yung birthing position, marami ng mga position kayo, di ba? Saka kung may music, kung may water, something their preferences. But she must be informed. Ano yung mga options? Saka, yung, kaya inayaman niya yung isang doktor. Kasi, when we went to have a consultation, yung doktor, naka-cellphone siya. Hala, so siya, text ng text. Ay, gusto ko yung husband. And she never even talked to the husband. She didn't. So, kailangan you also talk to the husband, hindi na ito siya. So, another issue is where to refer. Kung ang problema, saan mo dadalhin? And mag-evaluate dito, saan? And yung blood, you know, whether mabigyan siya ng blood or not. I had a patient na talaga, I was so very sad because the husband refused. This was in 1960. Refused of that transfusion. And parang grief ko. Yeah, because of religion. So these are things that kailangan you to respect. No? But siguro with more adequate information. And let the woman make the decision at the husband. Okay, so sa postpartum care naman, ang nakita ko sa this were the findings of Korea. Yung ang ginawa, 86% yung blood pressure natin, siya lang ginawa postpartum after delivery. 73% lang ang in-examine and 33%, 1/3 lang of the patients na hindi internal examination. So I hope that by improving the needs of the women in postpartum care is very important because most deaths are after birth. Diba? Most deaths. So not just because natapos ko yung birthing, kailangan hindi ko alagaan. And the reasons why the postnatal care, 65% are not aware, and 30% they're not convinced. So during the postpartum, same questions as we have a conversation on the dietary, physical, emotional needs, during the postpartum, check up the breastfeeding, and care with work and safe. Okay, the next is family planning. Fertility planning step. So, one of our rights is whether to marry or not. You have the right. Pero maraming nag-propose na yung future marriage. Tapos, alam na ninyo yun, that the state, no? Kailangan may family planning. Kasi, religious condition. Kung you're not a certain material religious affiliation, dapat na family planning. And, hindi natin yung asal that living children to be those. So, we have the right to liberty. Not tayo mag-decide and control our life. And as an independent subject and not my Next. Maraming nangyayari. Bakit hindi na tumagamit ng FB? Because of the disapproval of the husband. Nangyayari ba yun? Kaya tinatakot. Totoo ba yun? Na sa bukid mo, tinatala kayo dito. But I hope that you are doing something about it. Next, please. Okay. Ito, emergency contraception. Hanggang ngayon, di ba, natanggal na yun as a form of contraception because we should have the benefits of science. We should use them. Then next, please. It is the only woman-controlled method. Which the women's groups are still fighting for. Na kasi in 6-72 hours kung unprotected yung sex mo, you can use it to prevent fertilization as well as prevent implantation. Do you have emergency contraception? Are you familiar with that? I think the midwives, do you have training already in emergency contraception? Meron? Because you can make use of your family planning pills for emergency contraception. Yeah. Ito. So, the teenagers does not have the right to divorce. You know that we have the freedom of thought. Next. So ito, meron ako na hindi natin gusto pala dyan that those women who are likely to use contraceptives are not, number one, those who can travel, you know, like those who go to Hong Kong or those who are individuals, they can own property, they can buy their own, and they are not violent in the environment. And they have the knowledge and they participate in politics and in law. Dito, sino ba nag-decide? Ito yung question. Because we are highly aware of the family planning but low utilization pa rin. Okay? And many participation, mababa pa rin ng vasectomy and condom use. No? Husbands, are they very insecure kung meron mga babae na tinatago nila kaya nagpapa-reject sila ng lipo kasi hindi ma-trace yung lalaki na nagpapamilihan sila. So this is the gender issue. In one state was Australia, it was the state who inspected the sanitary pad of the female workers every month to see to if that they are not pregnant. So this